Subscribe to NEWLINK YouTube channel and go stop ping on the notification bell. Subscribe to NEWLINK YouTube channel and go stop ping on the notification. NEWLINKs, top vlogger. Big up NEWLINKs cause him a top vlogger. Vlogging it.
Bless up my viewers and subscribers. You don't know the thing of my people. Well, right now there people still talk about the sad situation about Ricky Trooper, daughter passing people. And you don't know, say, one of the closest person, you know what I mean, to Ricky Trooper, my people. And I would have said his closest people is his daughters, them my people. He always start these things about him daughter and him youth, them my people, they are really close. So when they come on to him kids, them my people, they are the closest person to Ricky Trooper. So you know how him feel about the whole thing right now. So I've seen where Bounty killer my people. You understand? You know what I mean? Sure. If him talk, him speech pertaining to the passing of Ricky Trooper, daughter, my people and thing. You understand? Brianna, my people. You don't know, say, Bounty, him and Trooper is not friend, my people. But after the Bounty made the post, my viewers and subscribers, and decide say him a go write where him want write under the picture where he post about the man wanted and RIP Bree. So basically Bounty repost it. You understand? A post from somewhere, but him add theme caption underneath it. And I going to read, my people, the caption where Bounty add, and I tell us, say, for a lot of people, they don't take this thing lightly where Bounty got do my people in comments where make pertaining to the passing of Ricky Trooper data. Because, well, a lot of people are saying, my people, is that, yeah, big up Trooper, yeah, show him love, but yeah, diss him in the same way. You understand? So a lot of people, yo, Bounty get some serious this pertaining to that speech where make my people. Jaja sees, Jaja knows. So let me just read this thing, my people. Then we'll go through some of the comment them, you know what I mean, about the this. Well, a lot of people still show him love, my people. No joke about it with the same comment, but I'm just talking about so a lot of people this him really brawling bad. Jaja sees, Jaja knows. So let me just read the Bounty have to say under the post of people. Ground Godzilla. Me not like one bone in a at Ricky Trooper. But my worst not like this, my condolences goes out to her family and friends. The kids are innocent. Send it around the villages and are responsible for our children play on a part. Folks, let's bring him to justice now. You know what I mean? And him say at Bugle Channel. Some viewers and subscribers. The part I heard a lot of people is what they must say. Why you have to make that first speech say, me not like one bone in a Ricky Trooper. Why? A man, they must say a man a mourn him daughter. They murder a man daughter just now. You and him an enemy. So a lot of people say, better you never did say nothing than just go say that part there. Why you could have just say RIP or reshare the thing or show your love towards the daughter. But why you have to call the father name? You know what I mean? So a lot of people, yo, them diss Bounty bad. You know what I mean? The people, them diss him. And I'm telling them, my viewers and subscribers. So one person make a comment to people, because I'm going to go through a few of the comments to me now. And this person say, don't look at it that way, but look into what Killer is saying in an intelligent way. He said as much as he doesn't like a bone in Ricky Trooper, that doesn't mean that he hates him. He doesn't like certain things about him. And at the same time, he's saying he's looking behind that and saying condolences to him and his family. And he doesn't support those wicked acts. So look into what he's saying on a positive point of view. You get me? So that's the way I must say my people pertaining to where some people are, you know what I mean, talk bad about the whole thing, my people. And yo, but this them where Killer get my people, those are the biggest talk, my viewers and subscribers. And I'm telling you, some people have some things to say. Yo, so this person say, Killer, you have to lower that talk and there and show the man respect. No matter what differences you and Ricky Trooper may have, but you're not like one bone in his body. As the general in the business, me not hide and talk. Me not rate that talk one bit star. Fix that argument and fast. Nobody did this you when you did lose Mama Ivy. So fix up. As me tell people, some people this Killer but I real level. But him get a lot of big up, just like when you may read the first comment on the person, big up, you know what I mean, pertaining to what people are say. And this person go say and them tagging my people and say, at Ground Godzilla, go S your mother. How you posting the man's daughter but dissing him. At the same time, at Ricky Trooper, Bounty figure him mother. Jaja sees, Jaja knows. Yo, my viewers and my subscribers. And a real level, me that's still, you know what I mean, at least him still showing love. But me just say, yo, as a big man, Me not think you'd have to make that thought the killer on a real level, like, you know what I mean? If you say, yo, you're not like one bone in the person, you know what I mean? Cause everybody don't know, say, you're a Ricky Trooper, you don't have no difference, you know me and talk, you know me this, you know me that, you understand? But me just say, yo, that thought they really have to make, you know what I mean? But it's not gonna say it's a bad thing where you do share a point, because I know why maybe make that thought there, because you know Chupa is a face man with people and them thing there. So he might just make that thought that maybe in a day, and if Chupa want to say, yo, Bounty, me need for showing love, at least in this say, yo, he not do it. For Chupa, he just show him love towards the daughter. So it can be in a one, you know what I mean, the people. So, but as I say, people, him get all heap of this still, him get all heap of love same way, you know what I mean. And because see a person will say, big him up here, and this person say, this is why me forever say one general from me a little youth. From Corville Gardens, a sneak go over Collarboard and Rivertown City and see how you treat people. I respect that brother, you're 1 7-star. My deepest sympathy to Ricky Trooper and family. Trust me, I thought this with a heavy heart, because it's not even 2 years since I lost my son. No parent should bury their child. It F up, star. Just stay strong for your family, my brother, that are gonna need your guidance more than ever. Blessing. You see it? So as I tell my people, the people still show killer love, you know what I mean? But you get a lot of this when people, a lot of this, my people, no joke. And with that one, they tell him if you got SE mad and this and that. I mean, know when killer go through, or if him see it already, him not take that one the lightly. Because killer is a man, my people, in response to comment, you know what I mean? And we fire back shots on him, we diss back people when they come on to certain things of viewers and subscribers. But it's a whole sad situation, man, for Ricky Trooper and people. Don't see video with him do, him not take the thing lightly, my people. You know what I mean? And you hear with the comments say, no parent shall bury their child. And a real thing. You know what I mean? It's not an easy thing for lose a child, my people. No matter if you have 2 or 3 or 4 more, my people, it's really a sad situation, man. And it's a lot of different artists, Bugle, whole heap of selector, you know what I mean? I show them love and I spread them towards Trooper and thing, you know what I mean? So it's really a sad one, my people. Sad one, man. Yo, the wicked ones, them, yo. The man, them does now will no med star. You know what I mean? The man, them now will no meds. You know what I mean? And on the job, season he knows the people. The man, them now will no meds. You know what I mean? Ladies, you have to just be careful out there. And for the item to see him, we have to be careful too, because can't go another way where another man do get caught up with the wrong people. You know what I mean? We have seen where woman do take up man 3 points. Same way. If you do this situation now and the story now, it's about a man who managed to take out a young female life at the age of just 23 years old. The girl not living a life yet, man. Girl who have a bright future, great potential, my people, you know what I mean? Following her father footstep in the entertainment business and thing, being a promoter and thing, you know what I mean? So it's a sad one, man. I don't know, again, just more condolences to Ricky Trooper and the whole family, you know what I mean, our friends and everybody. And again, Bree, rest in peace, Brian, and you know what I mean, justice will be served. And when I don't know the justice serving on my people, I hope them give me cheer or give me nigga. No joke about it, my people. Straight up. Peace out, my people, and just stay safe and just do the right thing. Remember to do like, do share, do comment, and do subscribe, my people. Big up. One team, one dream, one scheme, one attacking boss. Peace out.